All right, we're in the next phase of development. This stuff is hard now. I poured my last pour yesterday. Now we're gonna take the stuff off. We're gonna take the mold off. Here we go. This is the next step. Nope, that's stuck on there. Well, that's not nice. That doesn't look nice. That's not what we wanted. Oh well. Let's take this other piece off. That's what we wanted. Ish. Well, let's get rid of this crap. This is going to be garbage. There. Why couldn't it all look like that, huh? Alright, let's turn this around. Let's get our heat mat out of here. We'll get our heat mat right out of here. Roll this up, get it out of the way. So today is December 26th, and it's like 8 degrees out. It's not record breaking, but God, it's fantastic. Like, I haven't had to put on much heat in the shop yet this year. Let's not drop this. That would be disastrous at this point. Alright. Take a few screws out. Alrighty, put our screws away. This is our last thing to remove. There. Alrighty. So that's done. No, it's not, is it? We gotta take the bottom off. I need a splitter. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. What do I have? A screwdriver. Let's see if we can get in there. It's just, oh, it's stuck right to it. Oh, that's better. There you go. Then we stick some shims in there. What can we shim it up with? What do we got? Shiminins. Blocks of wood, maybe even. Let's see if these even work, if we can get it up high enough. Oh, we can get it in there. Look at that. Nice. Nicey nice. Nicey nice. So, Alright, we gotta stick some blocks in there. Let's use our project blocks for this. Huh? Some project blocks. Might make this work. Gotta get rid of this shit. Project block under there. How far can we go? Need to split it a little bit better. There, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Get a couple more blocks. What's going on there? We're not splitting this stuff anywhere, are we? No. Nope. Alrighty. Alright, let's flip this around. We'll flip her around. Again, trying to avoid knocking it off the table. This would be disastrous at this point. All right, I need more blocks. A few more blocks. She's glued on there nice. We're gonna have to turn it over on its side. There, she broke free. Oh, dang. I got my toque on, but I'm sweating. You know what? We gotta turn some heat off. I can't believe how hot it is in here. All right, I better not complain, because the alternative is a lot worse. I hate the cold. Alright, so she's right off. Alright, let's get as much as it off we can. There you go. Alright. Now she's off. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Wow. Huh. So That's definitely the bottom. Turned out worse than the top. So we're not going to worry about too much. We're just going to sand. Let's get rid of our blocks. Get rid of our blocks. Let's think of our next move. And don't forget, guys, I've never done this. Every move has to be thought out for me. Not like your YouTube peoples that do this for a living, or have done many of them. Okay. Now let's get rid of this. All right, so we've taken it apart. Now I'm going to clean up and think of the next move. All right, so I started sanding this table, the resin table. It's not coming out too bad. It's going to be a lot of work though. It's going to be a lot of sanding. I know I could build a router sled, and it would make it a lot quicker. But because this thing, I think, is not going to turn out very nice anyways, I'm not going to spend the extra time and effort. I am just going to sand, so you can see, like, it was pretty rough. And then once I'm done sanding it, it's going to be a lot of sanding. I'm going to fill in there's little holes everywhere. There's a big one right there. I'm going to backfill that up like this right here. Couple holes, fill those little holes up, and then go from there. But there's still a lot of sanding to go. Alrighty. So there it is. Finally done. Just a little, I just got to fill my little holes in the trim in that. But that is the finished product. There's my wood grained top. Didn't turn out like I wanted it to, but that's the finished product. There it is. It's on casters. Let's get a side view here. That's the finished product. That's as good as it's gonna get. Not happy with it, but for my first build, I'm okay with it. Look at the big gap in there. Oh well. Well, that's it. So that is the final product. My table bar for in my shop. And you know what? It matches the shop, doesn't it? Like everything. My fabric shelter insulated shop. That fits right in here. Ciao.